Wonderful good morning. So, well guys, yesterday actually, we are here in the MASAI Mara, and yesterday evening it was raining so heavily that we actually said, okay, we are not going on a game drive because we are in the Mara for 5 days. There's no need to rush and force ourselves to go on a game drive if it's really heavy raining. And now the question is, because of the rains, does it really make sense, or is it worth it for you to travel all the way here to the Mara and then it's raining and see this road which is just coming up here? Shoot! By the way, I am here with my cute little baby boy. And yes, it's very early in the morning, and this is my nanny Susan, in case you don't know us yet. And our driver guide from Atua Enkop. That's like the company we are traveling with right now. I mean, not the company, the ones who own the properties, the hotels. So they invited us to come here and stay so that we can show you guys the experience for the real MASAI Mara world. I mean, it's just like so early in the morning. You can even see the hot air balloons in the far rising up. And already I'll be like, yes, it's raining season. And I can tell you, you have to come with your boots like here. Whoop. And maybe a rain jacket, which I did not pack because I don't have a nice one. But they provide you with some, here, like blankets. They are ponchos. Oh, they're even ponchos. I'm gonna wear that later to show you how sexy we look like with them. Yeah, and it's definitely already like, I don't know, the adventure is there, adrenaline is kicking in, but are we really gonna see animals? That's the question for today. So we just got the information that another driver guide was spotting a pride of lion and where they are, and that's where we are heading now. Lion, lion, lion! Can you see the other cars? We are coming, lion! They're sleeping, but one is standing, yeah? Wow, this feels so surreal. Like, we were just seeing a pride of, I don't know how many, 30, 40 lions, but they were just sleeping. So now, imagine they would be active or hunting. Yeah, suddenly they are sleeping, but of course it's daytime. But there are two more. We were told there are others. They're just here. Wow, this is a big one. Let's, whoa, 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 whoa. Shh, 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 shh. It's a bit dangerous. He's making noise here. I think he's tired. It's time for his nap. And the lion is here next to us, and he was already opening his eyes. And we don't want to provoke the lion to start jumping on us. This lion is opening its eyes because we're making noise. Right. The time has come. You guys ask me all the time, what do you do when you have to pee and you're on safari? Well, It's very simple. You have to stop somewhere where there's bushes and ta-da! Our toilet. And of course, it's dangerous, so you cannot stop anywhere, and the guide has to tell you where he thinks in that current moment it will be safe. And then yeah, you do your thing. And I definitely advise, if you don't want to do that, don't take off in the morning the way I do. But please now give me some privacy.
Alright, so now it's time to sanitize your hands. How's the bush toilet?
It's I mean, I'm used to it, so I love the experience. In case you wonder, he's still here. Aww. It's his time for sleeping. So if you have a baby and you go on safari, so either you choose, you have a very short morning safari and then you go home so that he can sleep, of course, in your tent or in your hotel, wherever you are. Or you do it the way we are, because he can sleep anywhere. He's a travel baby. He's used to this thing. So he just sleeps with us. But then, of course, you should be like maybe 2 people. My nanny is here. She's helping me out. If you're alone and you want to go on safari with a baby in the car, maybe then the camp or the hotel can help you with someone with the baby, so that at least you can also enjoy. And the baby is safe all the time. How was the toilet?
It's good. Bush toilet.
Good!
I'd love to see you smile again, watch your eyes light up the room, feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to thaw. All the white noise.
Guys, we are just from a 6 hours safari in the morning. because if you remember, we missed our safari yesterday in the evening because of the heavy rains. And it's true, it's like we were like, okay, it's raining, should we go, should we not go? One problem was the road. How did you even come here? Like, we chose, like, I got a new car and of course also you have to know I live in Nairobi, so I drove myself. But it was hard. It was not easy to drive these roads, and I don't think I would have managed if there would have not been another driver guide helping and assisting me on driving. So even now on the way back, I'm already afraid because I've seen some really bad roads here in the Mara, if and how I can get back. So I wouldn't advise this. Maybe, of course, you go with the tour operator, you fly, or you fly in, I think is the best option for you. But even though we were a bit disappointed yesterday evening because of the heavy rain, so we couldn't go. I mean, we chose not to go. You could have, but it was pouring rain and we're like, no, it's not fun at all. Yeah, you have to see when it rains, like right now, it's November, which means it's just a short raining season. Whoop. Don't want to wake up Zahi. So the short rainings, it's okay. It can rain at night, it will rain in the morning, but then it stops and the sun comes out. Like now it's sunny, it's beautiful. You can even swim, you can do whatever you want to do. But there's a long raining season in Kenya, which is from April and May. Ooh, I can see my wine is coming. Hello. Yes, please. I ordered myself wine to enjoy myself. I think I take it right now outside here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go.
We got a break. Cheers. Yeah. Another thing I love about safari. Oh, let's just say holiday. Yeah. But where was I? Yeah, so I was saying there's a big raining season in Kenya, and now this is not a joke anymore. Our heavy rains are from April and May, and now it can pour the entire night and even day. And now this is not a joke anymore. That means you might not be able to go on a game drive. And our guide told us that in that time, for example, the camp we are in right now is completely closed. So they will not even open because they are saying there's no need to come. So maybe in that time, don't plan your holidays to the MASAI Mara. You can still come to Kenya and do something else or go to other parks, but it doesn't make really sense to come here. And then there was another question, because people think when there's no rain, that means there will be no animal. But this is not true. So the guide, we had a very long discussion today, and the guide told me that especially lions, all kind of cats, cheetah, leopards, they come out when it's raining because they use that advantage to hunt and to get all their antelopes or whatever they want to eat. And I think that is one thing why we love to come and go on a game drive to see that. And of course you must be lucky to see a hunt. Like, but for us today in the morning, you have seen, we already saw a cheetah, lions, a pride of lions. Okay, majority sleeping, but still, they are humongous animals, and it's just so beautiful to see them out in the nature and in real life. Yeah, so I hope this helped you to make a decision if you might come in raining season or not. If you still have more questions, because I want to go and enjoy my wine now before Zahi wakes up. Yeah, if you have more questions, I believe you know where to find me, and I can help you to plan your next trip. Bye bye.